So let's talk about object pronouns and how they are a little different, ever so slightly. So they replace the object in a sentence, the thing that receives the action. So Jessica loves her dogs. Very good. Sophie wanted to see it. We could say then, Jessica loves them. Her dogs received the love. Jessica loves them. Sophie wanted to see it. It. She wanted to see it. She wanted to see them. She wanted to see the pen, for example. The board wanted to see the answers. It. Or even the dogs. Well, plural. Dog with an S. So it's plural. So it's them. Very good. I need to read it. I'm going to talk to him. I'm going to dance with her. Very good. They receive the action. Talk, dance, read. And there's no difference between direct and indirect objects. The person that benefits from the action and the person that receives the action. There's no difference. It's consistent. The plurals are consistent. He gave him. He gave him the exam. The exam confused him. So he gave him the exam, the questions, and the exam confused him. Consistent. Important to understand. And we have different plurals and different pronouns depending on what kind of object. So I turns into me. Is that pen for me? Oh, thank you. Me. And we have we turned into us. Is that for us? Are you listening to us? To us? You, very consistent, you. What are you doing? Where are you going? Who are you talking to? Who are you listening to? He and him. He is giving the exam to him. He is showing him the questions. He is going to talk to him. Nice. We have she turns into her. She wants to talk to her. She is going to her house. She is going to her party. I am talking to her. She's receiving the action. Party, talking, walking and beyond. It. Nice and consistent. It. It. What is it doing? What is it for? What does it do? I write with it. I write with it on the board. I use it to clean the board. Very good. They and them. Where are they going? Where are they going? They're going home. I am going to talk to them. I'm going to talk to them. No good. I'm going to talk to them. I'm going to listen. I'm going to listen to them. Them, they are going to... you could say she is going to talk to them. It is going to dance for them. He is going to sing with them. Are you going to apologize to them? We are going with them to France. I am going with them to Spain. Are you going with them to Mexico? The object, the receive the action, going, walking, talking, listening, and beyond. But we can use these pronouns to replace the object, as opposed to saying their names again individually. Or the pen. I write with the pen. I use the pen. The pen is red. No. I use the pen. It is red. It is useful. It is in my hand. Quite useful. And again, there's no difference between direct or indirect object. Pronoun is the same. It's consistent. He gave him the exam. The exam confused him. The music was too loud for them and beyond. The music was too quiet for him. The music was too fast for her. The music was too strong for it. It damaged, it broke. The music was quite slow for us. I played, he played the music for me. He played the music for me, for us, for them, for it, for her, for him. Very nice. Let's keep going.